Hey guys, let's check out this DIY journal set by BALORIZ for girls ages 8 to 14. So as you can see here, the set includes a variety of things such as ruler, pencils, stickers, colored pens, flash tape, scrapbook paper, stamps, glue sticks, and more. So the possibilities are endless. It's up to your creativity. You can use a multicolored ballpoint pen with a stencil to create whatever you want. Use gem stickers to create a special note for someone's birthday, or just to make a beautiful note in general. You can also use different stamps to make your letters look cute. You can also use either a purple or a blue color pen. And here she is using some cute stickers. And you can finish it off with some silver or gold flash tape to add glamour. And don't forget to save your spot by adding that magnetic bookmark. Thanks for watching.